Making magic masala upma, we need 1 bowl of semolina, half bowl of grated carrot, 1 bowl of tomato pieces, some onion pieces and 3 small chilies, magic masala. First of all, we heat the semolina and cook it until some nice smell comes. And transfer it to 1 bowl. Now add some oil, 2 to 3 spoon. And put some mustard, and when mustard starts bursting, add onion and chili and fry it. Add some bay leaves. Add some tomatoes. And cook it for some time. At this point, add grated carrots. And cook it for some more time again. When you believe carrot is cooked, add salt. And mix it. Now for 1 bowl of semolina, you have to add 2 bowl of water. Now you mix it. Now you wait for the boiling in the gravy. Now you observe the boils. Add 1 spoon of Maggi magic masala. And after mixing, add smoothly and slowly the semolina. Otherwise lumps will form. Mix it thoroughly. At this stage, add ghee or butter and mix it properly. And your magic masala upma is ready. If you like our video, please like, comment and subscribe our channel. And if you want to see such videos again and again, welcome to our channel.